It is time to change your wiper blades. If you see lines like this, you can see here through this angle, probably getting covered with. So if you have these streaks and your wiper blade makes this sound, wait for it, yeah. Now it's time to change your wiper blades. Lift the wiper blades up, carefully ensuring that it doesn't come into contact. You carry a wiper microfiber cloth and just wipe it down. Some dirt, dust here. When you're done wiping it a couple of times, just put the wiper blade back on and try this process again. If you still get any streak at all, your wiper blades are already worn out and it needs to be changed immediately. We are going to replace 24 and 18 inch in Slavia. We need to just flip it here like this. Just need to pull it here on this position. So we have these two locks. When you push it, it comes off. After this, you need to move the blades downwards. So pull it downwards so that this hook gets exposed. Carefully place some cloth underneath so that it doesn't damage the windshield, and take out the blade. This is also 18 inches. Expose and open. Pull it out carefully. Make sure hold it by something so that it doesn't fall off. This falling off on the windshield is going to be catastrophic. Again, reverse. We need to just push this in, yeah, like this, and then lock the blade in. Now we are going to repeat the same process on this side as well. So this is going to be slightly tricky since the position is opposite. We are going to again push and unlock, and after this carefully remove the blades. Again same step, protect it, and we are going to replace the 18 inch. Unlock it and ensure this position is unlocked as well. After this, put the lock in the position and pull it all the way so that it locks and you hear a click sound. After this, push the plastic lock from top, and that's all, you're done. With the blades change, you should get a streak-free clearing experience. You can see there is no streaking noise, there is no sound, and it's going smooth. There is no line or streaks as well.